this is Savita. Welcome to your channel Learning Platform. In this video, we are going to know a famous person, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru, by name Pandit. Nehru was born on 14th November 1889, Allahabad, India. Died on 27th May 1964, New Delhi. We are celebrating Children's Day on his birthday because he loved children a lot. He was first Prime Minister of independent India 1947 to 64, who established parliamentary government and became noted for his policies in foreign affairs. He was also one of the principal leaders of India's independence movement in the 1930s and 40s. Early years. Nehru was born to a family of Kashmiri Brahmins, noted for their administrative aptitude and scholarship, who had migrated to Delhi early in the 18th century. He was the son of Motilal Nehru, a renowned lawyer and leader of the Indian independence movement, who became one of Mohandas Gandhi's prominent associates. Jawaharlal was the eldest of 4 children, 2 of whom were girls. A sister, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, later became the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly. Prime Minister of India 1947 to 1964. Nehru served as Prime Minister for 18 years, first as the interim Prime Minister and from 1950 as the Prime Minister of the Republic of India. Popularity. Nehru is considered as the most popular Prime Minister so far, who won 3 elections with around 45% of votes polled to his account. An archive video reporting Nehru's death remarked, "Neither on the political stage nor in moral stature was his leadership even challenged." Throughout his 17 years in the Prime Minister's office, he held up democratic socialism as the guiding star, emphasizing that India needed to achieve both democracy and socialism. With the help of the overwhelming majority that the Congress Party maintained in the parliament during his term of office, he advanced towards that goal. Nehru implemented policies based on import substitution, industrialization, and advanced a mixed economy where the government-controlled public sector would coexist with the private sector. He believed that the establishment of basic and heavy industry was fundamental to the development and modernization of the Indian economy. The government therefore directed investment primarily into key public sector industries: steel, iron, coal, and power, promoting their development with subsidies and protectionist policies. The 4 pillars of his domestic policies were democracy, socialism, unity, and secularism. He succeeded to a large extent in maintaining the edifice supported by those 4 pillars during his lifetime. Social policies: education policy, Hindu marriage policy, reservations for socially oppressed communities, language policy, foreign policy, the Commonwealth, defense and nuclear policy, defending Kashmir, China and Pakistan policy, and Sino-Indian War of 1962. Thank you.